Good morning everyone, my name is Fathar Putra. Okay, have you ever noticed how some speakers captivate their audience not just with words but with their gesture, facial expression, and tone of voice? These non-verbal elements often leave a more lasting impression than the words themselves. In English public speaking, especially when addressing a diverse audience, non-verbal communication plays a pivotal role in delivering message effectively and memorably. Non-verbal communication encompasses all the ways we convey information without using spoken words. This included facial expression, gesture, posture, eye contact, and vocal elements such as tone, pitch, and speaking pace. While words provide the content, nonverbal cues provide the emotional and psychological context in which those words are received. In fact, research indicates that nonverbal cues can significantly influence how audience perceive a speaker and engage with their message. A speaker may say all the right words but if their body language does not align with their message, the audience may feel disconnected or even skeptical. Today, I will explore the significance of nonverbal communication in English public speaking by focusing on three main aspects. Number one is enhancing message clarity, building audience engagement, and conveying speaker confidence. Okay, number one is enhancing message clarity. One of the most critical roles of nonverbal communication is to support and reinforce the clarity of spoken message. When a speaker uses appropriate gesture such as hand movement to emphasize a key idea or nodding to reinforce agreement, they help the audience better understand and retain the message. This gesture act as visual cues that complement the verbal message, making abstract concept more concrete. A study by Jasuri et al. 2024 especially highlight the importance of non-verbal communication for English language learner. When speakers maintain eye contact, use expressive facial gesture, and maintain an open posture, their message becomes more accessible to listeners who may not be influenced in English. The alignment between what is said and how it is said builds trust and facilitates understanding. On the other hand, contradictory or unclear body language can lead to misinterpretation. For example, if the speaker expresses excitement about topic but slouches, avoid eye contact, and cross their arms defensively, the audience may feel confused or doubt the speaker's sincerity. Thus, consistent and deliberate nonverbal cues are essential to reinforce the intended message. Number two is building audience engagement. Another powerful function of nonverbal communication is its ability to engage the audience. A speaker who effectively uses eye contact can make each listener feel seen and included in the conversation. Open gesture, a warm smile, and vocal variety help to maintain attention and stimulate interest throughout the presentation. According to Susanto et al. 2022, nonverbal cues such as gesture, facial expression, and vocal dynamics plays an even more crucial role during challenging times like the COVID-19 pandemic. With many presentations moving online, speakers had to rely more on facial expression and voice modulation to connect with remote audience. Furthermore, nonverbal communication can subtly guide the audience emotional response. For instance, a smile can create a sense of friendliness and warmth, while a dramatic pause can build suspense and make key point more impactful. These subtle cues help the speaker to shape the emotional tone of the speech and to connect with the audience on a deeper level. Number three is conveying speaker confidence. Lastly, nonverbal communication plays a vital role in conveying a speaker confidence and credibility. An upright posture, purposeful gesture, and steady eye contact project a sense of the authority and self-assurance. This visual signal often shape the audience's first impression even before the speaker says a single word. Research by Newman et al. 2060 found that specific nonverbal behavior such as confident body stance, calm facial expression, and controlled hand movement significantly influence how credible and persuasive a speaker is perceived to be. These behaviors are often associated with leadership qualities and can increase the speaker's influence over the audience. In contrast, behaviors such as fidgeting, speaking too quickly, avoiding eye contact, or using a flat, monotone voice can suggest nervousness or lack of preparation. Regardless of how well structured or informative a speech might be, if it delivered without confidence, the message may fail to resonate. In conclusion, nonverbal communication is integral part of effective English public speaking. It not only enhances the clarity of the message, but also builds a strong connection with audience and reflect the speaker confidence and credibility. In a world where effective communication is key, whether in academic, professional, or public settings, being mindful of our nonverbal cues is essential. By aligning our gesture, facial expression, posture, and vocal tone with our verbal message, we can become more impactful and persuasive speaker. So, the next time you speak in public, remember, what you say is important, but how you say it may be even more powerful. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Bye.